How to fix unable to send friend request on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the unable to send friend request error on Roblox. So first of all, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and if your Wi-Fi is unstable or it's not working, you can try using the mobile data instead. Now update the Roblox app. Go to Play Store or App Store according to your device, then search for a Roblox application. And if you see an update button instead of play, which is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. You can also try clearing the app's cache and data. For that, you can go ahead and long press on the app and then tap on the eye icon in the top. From this page, scroll down and go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but remember that clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try disabling this application and re-enable it again. And finally, check the app permissions. In the app info, you can go to app permissions and make sure that the Roblox has permission to access your camera, contacts, files, media, and any other required permissions. So this was all about it. I hope this video helped you to fix your error of unable to send friend request on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.